Alright, there are different type of water you can use to wash your clothes. Yes, I made a video about using some type of water to wash clothes effectively. So in this video, I want to teach us the water you can avoid while washing clothes. Even if you are not a laundry personnel, even if you are not a dry cleaner, it is essential you know these tips so that your clothes will not damage. You may wonder why your white clothes damage easily, or your black clothes fade easily, or your black jeans, your black, any other things. You just wash them once, second and twice times, three times, see the thing fade or the coloration decline. And you may wonder why this thing happen. Or probably you are a dry cleaner, you have washed clothes or previously clothes, and then you wonder why the clothes is very difficult to retain the black color. You just fade away. This tip will help you. Once again, this is Palms Laundry Academy. If you want to be a part of the laundry personnel, or want to join my student, you can go to the comment section that I'm interested, and I will get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and share this video, like it, and there's series for future purposes. So let's go. There are different types of water. The best water to wash the towel, as I explained earlier on, is the hot water. Hot water keeps germs and bacteria in towel. So the best water to wash the towel, use hot water. Warm water, it helps to wash the towel. And then the best water to wash clothes, black clothes or color clothes, thick color clothes like the brown, the black, and the blue, and then another thick color is cold water. Yes, what I mean by cold water, not really good pressure water, cold water. Yes, not ice block water, but let the water be cold. It helps to retain coloration, it helps them very well. Yes. But on this video, I really want to avoid using hard water. Yes, hard water damage clothes fast. The reason your clothes is being damaged is because you are using hard water. And what is hard water? Hard water are water you can recall from the stream. Maybe you stay in the village and then you are using river water to wash clothes. River water is very hard. It don't align itself to detergent, never align itself to spinning. It's make clothes stick. That's why you see when you wash your clothes, you see the muck or white stain attached to the clothes. It's because the water is hard. Secondly, also, hard water can come from the well. Maybe where you stay, they have a well there, and then everybody fetch the well water, they come bring the well water. Yes, no problem. But for washing of clothes, well water is not advisable. Yes, it damages clothes. Well water is rooted also as hard water. That's why your clothes damage. Don't use hard water. And if you don't have anywhere to have water, the only means you have is to use the hard water, maybe the stream water, the river water, or the well water. What you need to do, buy what they call vinegar. Yes, either you buy vinegar or hydrogen peroxide. Put vinegar inside like 2 cups of vinegar, 2 tablespoons, or like call it tap edge, as in the bottle of the regular water. Pour 2 cups on it, or 3. It will not desolidify the hardness of the water. Then you can use it. But if you don't have that, don't use it. It damages customers' clothes. It's very hard. Detergent don't easily foam with hard water. You put all the detergent inside. It's not the foam. Why they foam? It's because of hard water. Even you watching this video now, maybe you are not a laundry personnel. Maybe you don't even have the plan to start a laundry business, but you have witnessed that you bought a clothes with your brother who stay elsewhere, and then you wash the clothes. This white clothes, you wash it 3 times and the color change, but the brother the same white clothes is still retained. Or probably you wash black clothes 2 times and the thing just change color, but your brother or your friend still remain the same. It's because that one is using soft water. Although tap water, yes, borehole water, tap water, yes, they are soft. They are easily aligned to detergent and to bar soap. You see the foam, it foams a lot. You can put a little foam detergent inside and then it spark up. So please learn the difference between hard water, soft water, rain water, and then hot water. These waters that are used for different clothes. And the quick tip for you also, if you are using hot water, please check the label of the cloth you are using. Hot water is good for many things, but sometimes it shrink clothes also, like all those elastic material. If you put them in hot water, it will make them blah. That's why you see some clothes you wear the clothes once it is fitted, but after you put it in the hospital, you see it will now lose, it lose, because why? The hospital have shrink it or make it feel an unelastic. That's it is. So this is Palm Stone Gay Academy. If you want to be a part of this family, you can show the questions that I'm interested, and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and go and watch the video I make there. If you are interested to start your own business, there's a video I make there that will help you from beginner to any place you want to go. I am there for you. This is Palm Stone Academy. See you next week, and bye.